Here I'm just cooking up some chicken wings, right? And we're gonna hit these with our new sauces. All right, check these out. All right, some great grilled wings. Wings are always better off the grill, right? I mean, you can do them in the oven, or you can go to some wing stop or whatever they do. They fry their wings. Those are good too. But let me show you. Here's our new sauces. Our most popular is our smoky whiskey, right? It's got a nice smoky background into it. Works perfect on these wings, and of course anything else you're barbecuing, you got to check it out. Let me shake it up because we were using it last night. So we got our smoky whiskey, and you can see the consistency of it, nice and thick. You can use it for basting or at the kitchen table, whatever. Now here's our chipotle habanero, right? Let me just shake this up a little bit, and excuse my hands. Oh yeah, check that out. All right, and last but not least, on our 3 sauces, we are now selling all over the world, right? Just get your managers to check us out. Here's our original bold. Let me shake that up a little bit. And the flavor profiles are great. We do our own sauces, right? Unlike many other suppliers, they just use third parties to do it. But we do our own. We guarantee consistency and deliverability, right? Really important. These managers need to get the product put on their shelves, and we can do that because we do our own bottling. So take a look at that. Oh yeah. I do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster privilege, as you know. This is awesome, man. Oh man. Kicks those wings up a notch, as any good sauce will know, all right? Now, because these are my wings and my sauce, I'm just gonna keep eating right in front of you. Again, I apologize. You know how it goes. The only thing missing here probably is a cold one. Whether it's soda or a beer, right? Your choice. All right, I gotta keep this up. I do apologize for taking all your time here to showcase our new sauces, but I kind of like to do this, you know what I'm saying? So again, go to your local store manager, no matter where you are, send them to our website. We'll hook them up to a wholesale program. We're going to be into some big box stores in USA, in Australia soon. In fact, go into the big box managers and say, hey, check out the BBQ Pit Boys. We appreciate your support, and all of you have been following us for what, almost 15 years now. And we can get you nice displays like this. This is a countertop. And also we have 6 foot tall displays for aisles, that kind of stuff. We can put nearly 100 bottles in there. And of course, we're also, as many of you know, our rubs are available pretty much everywhere now. And if it's not, again, in your store, harass the manager. The store managers, of course, want to stock something that will go off the shelves real quick. And we guarantee this will work for them, right? Because we get a lot of reorders. So next time you're looking for a recipe, check out BBQPitBoys.com. And of course, next time you're looking for some good rubs, some great sauces, check out your local store. or we can send it to you directly online. BBQ Pit Boys for life.